Hello everyone, today we will show you the portable air conditioner. Now it's open. Okay, this is the air conditioner, and this is the air conditioner parts. And as you know, the air conditioner is DC 24 voltage. So if your vehicle is DC 24, you can use this power line and connect to here, and then the air conditioner can working. But if your vehicle is DC 12 voltage, you can use this. Use the air conditioner for your DC 12 vehicles. And if you want to use this air conditioner at home or in other then you can use this. You can see the input voltage is from 100 to 215. So and this is the water pipe, and this is the air duct. And now we can connect in our home, and now you can see. Okay, and yes, now you can see at here, this is the switch. You push it, and 1 2 3, then the air conditioner is opening. And this is a model, and now it have two model. One is cooling. You can see this means the cooling model, and if you push it, there is only have the air but not the cold air. And this, as you know, is cold air. And this is the fan speed. You can see. Yes, 2 3. Yes, it have 3 speeds. And this is for temperature. Yes, you can see. And now here I have the air. Let's you for you. See for you. You can see. Yes. Okay. Push and turn on. Okay, this is all.